I'm going to miss listening to these birds in the morning. But there are county and city parks that I plan to visit, and I'm sure it'll be in the mornings so I can enjoy the birds and the peace and quiet. So this is countdown to getting in the apartment and having a kitchen. I can't wait to cook in a kitchen. I have been blessed by my neighbors who went off for 3 days, and they're allowing me to use their outdoor screened-in tent. It's large. The chair is so comfortable, and the fan is big. So I want to give a thanks and appreciation for being able to be comfortable my last days here. I can't wait. I look so forward to the apartment. And then I look forward to coming back here in the cooler weather and enjoying the state parks the way I did for the 8 months, but not for 8 months. I don't even know 8 days. We'll see. Sometimes you've had enough of enough, you know. At least for now. I'm just anxious to get in the apartment, start my life. And again, I'm just very thankful for all the people that have been so nice to me out here. It really has been different living in the woods than living in a house with neighbors that live in a house. So, all right, going for my walkabout. Talk to you later.